Meet Captain Corona, a special superhero with a big heart. His mission is to keep the world safe from a sneaky villain called Virusia. But oh no, Virusia has released a very strong virus that is making people sick everywhere. One day, Captain Corona gets a very important phone call from the mayor of the city. The mayor sounds worried and asks for Captain Corona's help to stop the virus from spreading. Captain Corona is ready to save the day. Captain Corona starts to learn all about the virus. He finds out what signs to look for if someone is sick, how the virus spreads from person to person, and why it's so important to keep our bodies clean and healthy. He realizes that practicing good hygiene, like washing hands and covering our mouths when we cough or sneeze, can help keep the virus away. Captain Corona knows that defeating the virus is a big job, so he gathers a group of special heroes to help him. These heroes are all young and have their own special skills to keep people safe and healthy. One hero is called Super Sanitizer. He has the power to make things super clean and germ-free. Another hero is Dr. Mask, who knows all about different types of masks and how to wear them properly. And there's also Captain Clean Hands, who can show everyone the best way to wash their hands to keep the germs away. Together, Captain Corona and his team of heroes are ready to fight against the virus and protect everyone in the city. Captain Corona and his team are on a special mission. They want to learn as much as they can about the virus and figure out how to stop Virusia. They go on a journey to a research lab, where scientists study the virus. At the lab, they discover some important things. They find out that keeping a safe distance from others, called social distancing, can help stop the virus from spreading. They also learn that wearing masks can protect them and others. And washing hands a lot is super important too, because it helps get rid of germs that can make people sick. With this new knowledge, Captain Corona and his team feel more prepared to fight against the virus and stop Virusia's plan. Captain Corona knows that practice makes perfect, so he decides to train his team members to become even better at what they do. First, they practice washing their hands properly. Captain Corona shows them the right way to scrub their hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to make sure all the germs go away. Next, they learn how to wear masks correctly. Captain Corona demonstrates how to cover their mouths and noses completely with the masks, so no germs can sneak in or out. Finally, they talk about keeping their surroundings clean. Captain Corona explains the importance of cleaning and disinfecting surfaces regularly to get rid of any hidden germs. By practicing these skills together, Captain Corona and his team become experts in staying safe and keeping their environment clean. They're now ready to face any challenge that comes their way. Captain Corona and his team come across many people who have caught the virus. It's a big challenge, but they are determined to help. Using their special skills, Captain Corona and his team assist the infected individuals. They show them how to take care of themselves and others. They explain the importance of wearing masks, washing hands regularly, and keeping a safe distance from others. They teach the infected individuals how to cough or sneeze into their elbows and not their hands, to prevent the germs from spreading. They also encourage them to stay home and rest until they feel better, so they don't pass the virus to anyone else. Captain Corona and his team are superheroes with big hearts, helping and teaching everyone they meet about staying safe and following safety measures. They bring hope and comfort to those affected by the virus, reminding them that they are not alone in this fight. After a long and challenging journey, Captain Corona and his team finally discover where Virusia is hiding. They find her lair and get ready for the ultimate battle. With their combined knowledge and teamwork, Captain Corona and his team put their skills to the test. They remember everything they've learned about hand-washing, mask-wearing, and keeping a safe distance from others. Working together, they use their superpowers and strategies to defeat Virusia. They fight bravely, making sure to protect themselves and each other. They stop Virusia's evil plans and put an end to the spread of the virus. Captain Corona and his team have saved the day. Their hard work and determination have paid off. They've made the world a safer place for everyone. Their victory is a reminder that when we come together and use our knowledge and skills, we can overcome any challenge. The city is overjoyed and filled with gratitude for Captain Corona and his team. They are hailed as heroes for their incredible efforts in keeping the community safe. Everyone gathers to celebrate their victory. There are cheers, applause, and even a special ceremony held in their honor. The mayor presents Captain Corona and his team with medals for their bravery and dedication. During the celebration, Captain Corona takes a moment to address the crowd. He thanks everyone for their support and reminds them that even though Virusia has been defeated, it's important to keep following the safety measures. Captain Corona emphasizes the need to continue wearing masks, washing hands frequently, and practicing social distancing. He explains that these actions will help prevent any future outbreaks and keep the community safe and healthy. The city listens attentively to Captain Corona's wise words and promises to do its part in maintaining safety measures. They understand that even after a big victory, it's crucial to stay vigilant and protect one another. The celebration continues, filled with joy, gratitude, and a renewed commitment to keeping the community safe. Captain Corona and his team feel proud of their accomplishments and grateful for the support of the city they have sworn to protect. After their heroic victory, Captain Corona and his team don't stop their mission. They keep on working hard to spread important messages about staying healthy and safe. They visit schools and community centers and even make special appearances on TV. They talk to kids and grown-ups alike, sharing their knowledge about washing hands, wearing masks, and staying away from big crowds. Captain Corona and his team become symbols of hope and strength. People look up to them and see them as role models. They inspire everyone to be brave and take action to protect themselves and their loved ones. They remind everyone that they too can be heroes by following the safety rules and caring for others. Captain Corona shows people that even small actions, like wearing masks or washing hands, can make a big difference in keeping the whole community safe. With Captain Corona's guidance and the support of his team, the city becomes a shining example of unity and strength. Everyone works together, and they know that they can overcome any challenge by looking out for each other. Captain Corona and his team continue their mission, spreading hope, and showing that with courage and care, anyone can be a hero and make the world a safer and healthier place for all.